A garage can feel unbearable even with the door wide open. Heat gathers near the ceiling, the air barely moves, and working around a vehicle or crowded bench quickly becomes uncomfortable.
Let's look at how to choose the right industrial fan. First is the airflow pattern, then correct placement. Consider the noise level and easy access to power.
We selected 5 garage fans ranging from focused workbench airflow to wall-mounted circulation and heavy-duty coverage. By the end, you'll know which design makes the most sense for your garage. Starting at number 5, the Lasko U12104 is the compact option for anyone who needs airflow in one specific area. Instead of trying to circulate an entire room, this utility blower produces a focused stream. Its pivoting body lets you aim the airflow toward a workbench, underneath a vehicle, or across a wet floor. 3 speeds provide straightforward control, while 2 grounded outlets let the fan share its power connection with lights or smaller tools. A built-in circuit breaker adds protection when those outlets are in use. The Lasko does not oscillate, so it makes more sense for a defined work zone than for evenly circulating a large 2-car garage. It is a strong fit when targeted airflow or drying performance matters more than whole room coverage. Number 4, the Vornado Model 80X uses a DC motor with 99 speed settings. That unusually wide adjustment range lets you move from a mild background breeze to stronger circulation without being limited to just a few fixed speeds. Its kickstand changes the airflow angle, the digital timer can run for up to 12 hours, and the removable grill makes accumulated garage dust easier to clean away. Those features are especially useful during longer work sessions, when you may want steady air movement without running the fan at maximum output the entire time. For precise control, easier cleaning, and more comfortable everyday airflow around a workbench, the Model 80X is the more refined option in this lineup. At number 3, the DEWALT DCE512B solves a completely different problem, moving air where an outlet is inconvenient. This cordless Jobsite fan runs on DEWALT's 20-volt max battery system. Its listed output reaches 650 CFM, and a 5 amp-hour battery is rated for up to 4.5 hours at maximum speed. It can stand on the floor, hang from its built-in hooks, or mount to a wall. That flexibility makes it easy to move between a workbench, a driveway project, or another part of the garage without running an extension cord across the floor. Its total airflow is also lower than the larger corded options, but that is not really the reason to buy it. For anyone already using DEWALT 20-volt max batteries, the appeal is simple. Useful portable airflow almost anywhere you are working, without needing another power outlet. When floor space is more valuable than portability, the number 2 iLiving moves the fan onto the wall. This 20-inch model is rated for up to 4,750 CFM. Its 90-degree oscillation spreads that airflow across a wider section of the garage rather than continuously aiming at one fixed position. The weather-sealed motor and rust-resistant coating also suit garages that regularly deal with humidity, dust, or outside air coming through an open door. A pull chain provides 3 speed settings, without relying on a remote that can get lost around a busy workshop. Installation is the main trade-off. It needs a secure wall mount, and once installed, it is far less convenient to move than the portable fans in this list. But for a garage that needs broad, repeatable circulation while keeping the floor and work surfaces clear, the iLiving offers a strong, permanent solution. For a large garage where the air simply refuses to move, the Tornado 24-inch drum fan takes the number 1 position. Its listed maximum output is 7,700 CFM, giving it significantly more air-moving capability than the smaller personal and work zone fans in this lineup. The 3-speed control lets you reduce the output when full power is unnecessary, while the tilting frame can direct air across the floor toward the main work area or upward toward warm air gathering higher in the garage. Wheels and an 8-foot power cord make repositioning the heavy-duty frame more manageable when you need airflow in a different part of the space. The extra performance does mean more floor space and substantial noise at higher speeds, so this would be excessive for someone who only wants a quiet breeze beside a small bench. But for a 2-car garage or larger workshop, the Tornado is the strongest option here when maximum air movement matters more than compact size or low noise. Now that we have covered all 5, here is the quick decision. The Lasko U12104 is the best fit for focused airflow at a bench or small work zone. The Vornado Model 80X is the better choice for finer speed control during longer work sessions. The DEWALT DCE512B makes the most sense when cordless freedom matters, especially if you already use DEWALT batteries. The iLiving is the better fit for broad circulation without giving up valuable floor space. The Tornado 24-inch drum fan is the top pick when maximum airflow through a large garage or workshop is the priority. Current prices and availability for all 5 models are linked in the description. If this guide made your decision easier, subscribe for more practical cooling, power, and backup buying guides.